Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn what is statements and comments in JavaScript. If this is your first programming language, so I will this tutorial may be a little long, but if you watch this tutorial till the end, you will never have any doubt about statements and comments. And statements and comments are same in different programming language. Okay, I hope you got the point. Let's firstly learn what a statement is. Okay, so let's give you an example. In your real life, like you need some water. I have written here that I need some water. So you follow some rules. You cannot like you are trying to do written communication with someone. Like you need some water, and you are just you have just wrote that I need some water, and if you just you need some water because you want to drink. Focus what I am trying to say, that you need some water and you want to drink, you are really thirsty, and like if you write here like this, hey, I need some water, and in your written communication you just written I need some water, then question mark, and if you give to your targeted person, and you will think that are you mad, what do you mean, do you need some water for drink, or are you asking me that you want to give me some water, like this. And in programming language also follow the same rule. Like if you want to do something with machine like computer, you have to follow some rule. Okay, so I hope you got the point. So you cannot let's step back to written communication. You cannot write here like exclamation mark. Okay, you cannot write here just like exclamation mark and dot comma comma comma. You cannot do this, because if you do this, your opposite targeted person will not understand what do you want to communicate with him or her. Okay, so in computer programming language follow the same rules. Like you want to print something here, you want to print something here. In JavaScript, let's firstly print something like document dot write hello world. Okay, let's save it. Okay, and let's refresh the page. Okay, I have to open the web page. Okay, just wait. Oh guys, it's actually not showing here. The problem is I didn't write here in HTML any code. Okay, so in order to execute something on JavaScript, you have to at least know some of HTML. Don't need to learn CSS, at least you need to know some of HTML. So let's write some HTML here, exclamation mark and hit enter. Okay, and now let's link this JavaScript code with HTML. Like, and here I have to write src test.js, and if I refresh the page, you will see something magical. Okay, so you are seeing that here outputting hello world. Okay, so in order to ask or in order to doing something with computer, in order to give instruction to computer to do something, you have to follow some rules. Like you cannot just add here like dot comma comma comma, and if you refresh the page, the code will not be executed. And if I go to inspect, like you will see some error in console, unexpected syntax unexpected syntax error, as well as token error, and it is happening line number 3. Okay, so I hope you got my point, that what is statement in JavaScript. Okay, and so now I'm going to teach you what is comment in JavaScript. Okay, so comment is really simple. Comment means that the code you will write on your code editor will not be executed on your browser. Okay, so this is like a comment. And let's give you an example. Like here I have written comments, and comments are two types, like one line comment and multiple line comment. One line comment means that you have to just, if I want to comment this, like, and I have written this code here, just watch it. I have written this code here, and this code is not going to execute on my browser. Why? Because this is a comment, and this code will not give any effect to your web browser. Okay, so I hope you got my point. And if I just try to comment it also, like document.write hello world, and I will hit, if you are using Windows, so I'm not a Mac user, so if you are using Mac, so just go through some document on VS Code, and you will see that how to comment, write a comment in JavaScript in like VS Code, how to comment on Mac. I don't know about Mac because I'm a Windows user. Maybe it may be command and forward slash maybe on Mac. I think, what, as far I know. So in order to write a comment in JavaScript in Windows, like you have to hit Control and forward slash. So if you hit this, your code will not be executed. And if I just refresh on my browser, there is nothing to show. Okay, so this is called comment, and this is called single line comment. And as you can see that there are in this 3 line of code, I just repeated the same thing again and again, like 3 times. So we can do it like just write one code. And what we will do it, yeah, we'll just okay, so let's teach you that I have to write forward slash and asterisk, and then when I want to terminate my comment, I have to write like asterisk and forward slash. Okay, and this is comment, and this code will not be executed on your browser. Okay, so I hope you got my point, and I hope you have understand what a comment is. And one thing lastly I want to tell you that comment is for developer, not for user. Okay, so developer means that you have a application like Instagram, you have built Instagram, and there are lots of code, and you want to sell your code to someone else. Okay, and they are purchasing your code, and they want to just try to understand how you build Instagram and Facebook. And so there you will write something that comment, and this is for developer. Comment means that you have done this part here, that part here, that part here, you have just created this part for, like, this code will work for your comment, and this code will work for your likes on Instagram, and this code is for header, this code is for footer, and these are all for like developer. Okay, so okay guys, I hope you got my point that what a statement is in JavaScript and what a comment is. So in the next video we are going to learn variable. Okay, so thanks for watching. So keep learning and do practicing, because without practice you cannot be perfect. Okay, so thanks for watching.